What if I told you one nasty repair bill can erase a whole month of peace? Picture a receipt with a red total, $1,280, gone in a blink. That sting hits hard because most SUVs nibble at your wallet all year. A sensor here, a tow there, and suddenly you're budgeting repairs instead of weekends. But here's the quiet truth. Not all SUVs drain you. A handful just run. They start every morning, cross scary mile markers, and keep you off a first-name basis with the shop. Today, I'm counting down 9 smart SUVs that protect your wallet on repairs, insurance, and depreciation. And I'll show you exactly when an extended warranty makes sense and when it's just fear-talking. Hang around for number 1 and the bonus segment, where I expose 2 models that can drain your bank account faster than a bad stock pick. Ready to buy once and drive for years? Let's roll. At number 9, the Subaru Outback. In the 90s, wagons were the punchline. Subaru added rugged cladding, symmetrical all-wheel drive, and a taller stance, and families suddenly had a go-anywhere machine that didn't sweat snow, gravel, or long drives. Here's the part that quiets your nerves. Most Outbacks cruise, past 200,000 miles with nothing more than oil, filters, and brake service. I've personally watched owners hit 300,000 when they treat maintenance like clockwork. That's why mechanics, who earn money when cars break, grudgingly admit these don't show up for big failures very often. Insurance companies, like them too. Top safety ratings mean calmer premiums month after month. Sure, the base 2.5 isn't a rocket, but it's steady. Step up to the 2.4 turbo and you get real punch without trading away durability. Subaru makes all-wheel drive standard, which means fewer weird option pack surprises later. If you want a smart buy year, the 2020 Outback blends modern safety with proven hardware at a used price that won't wreck your savings. Number 8, the Toyota RAV4. The best-selling SUV in America, and not by accident. Toyota nailed the recipe. Easy to drive, rock-solid structure, and a powertrain that feels like it was built to outlast the competition. This is where fear turns into relief. Older RAV4s regularly cross 300,000 miles without one headline repair. I've seen 2010 models still humming on original drivetrains because their owners kept service simple and on schedule. Because the nameplate is trusted, the RAV4 holds value like crazy. Used ones often sell for numbers that embarrass brand-new rivals from other makers. So, even if the 2.5 4-cylinder doesn't thrill, your wallet wins twice. Once on reliability, then again when you cash out later. Think of a RAV4 like a savings bond on wheels. It isn't flash, it's equity you can bank when life changes. At number 7, the Acura RDX, maybe the most underrated luxury SUV in America, which is fantastic news for a value hunter. While everyone chases BMWs, Audis, and big bills, the RDX quietly delivers the same calm cabin for a fraction of the cost, and without nightmare maintenance. Here's the secret that turns insecurity into confidence. From 2013 to 2018, the RDX shared its powertrain with the Honda Pilot. That means a bulletproof 3.5 V6 and a proven 6-speed automatic, wrapped in leather, sound deadening, and better tech. It's basically a Honda Pilot in a tailored suit. Depreciation is the plot twist. German rivals fall off a cliff. The RDX holds its ground. A 2013 RDX often sells for less than a used RAV4, while giving you more space and nicer features. Reliability. Many owners report 150,000 miles with routine service. And because safety features are solid, your insurance quote can land lower than you'd expect for a luxury badge. Luxury comfort, economy running costs, that's the win. Buying checkpoint, 60 seconds that can save you thousands. Pay $150 for a pre-purchase inspection. That move blocks something like $2,800 in surprise fixes on average. If the factory powertrain covers 5 years or 60,000 miles or more, skip third-party plans. Only consider a maker-backed warranty if a known single repair risk tops $3,000. Make sure any plan pays the shop directly and lets you use any dealer. If not, hard pass. Finance smart. 20% down, 48 to 60 months. APR under 6 if you can swing it. Get insurance quotes before you sign. Safety packages often shave $200 to $400 per year. Aim for 5-year resale of 55%. Or better, that extra 10 points can be $2,000 to $3,500 back in your pocket. If two candidates tie, pick the one with thicker service records. Paper beats promises. Number 6. The Hyundai Santa Fe. A name that surprised people a decade ago and now quietly wins. Back then, Hyundai had a reputation problem. Now, owners brag about odometers. The 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain coverage built confidence. But the daily reality is the real hook. Calm ride, straightforward maintenance, and bills that don't spike your blood pressure. Real-world Santa Fe's glide past 200,000 miles with oil, pads, and tires. Fuel economy is solid, resale keeps climbing, and insurance is usually cheaper than flashier rivals like Jeep or VW. If you want affordability and dependability without drama, this checks the boxes. At number 5, the Lexus LX, the armored tank of luxury SUVs. Under the leather and wood sits Toyota Land Cruiser DNA, famous worldwide for going places other SUVs wouldn't dare and lasting longer than some mortgages. These machines are known for 400 to 500,000 miles with basic care. In tough regions, some have racked up over 1 million. Yes, it drinks fuel, think 15 to 17 miles per gallon, but the trade is reliability that makes many luxury rivals look delicate. While a G-Wagon can smack you with a $2,500 repair, the LX shrugs and asks for fluids. Depreciation is almost a rumor. Used LX prices stay strong because once you buy one, you might not need another for a very long time. If you want the blend of luxury, longevity, and resale, this is as close to bulletproof as it gets. Cracking. The top 4, the Mazda CX-5, proof you don't need to choose between style and reliability. Most compact SUVs feel like appliances. The CX-5 feels like something you want to drive. Sharp handling, clean design, and still tough enough to cross 200,000 miles with proper care. Here's a detail that saves money. Mazda skipped a CVT. You get a traditional 6-speed automatic that's smoother and over time more reliable. That single decision has saved owners thousands in potential repairs. Scores are strong, owners back them up, and annual maintenance tends to land below many rivals. The cabin is a bit tighter than a RAV4 or CR-V, but you trade a little space for a premium vibe and a better drive. Financially, it's a smart move. Resale values stay strong and routine costs remain friendly. At number 3, the Subaru Forester, a compact SUV that's practically stubborn about reliability. Independent ratings have given it sky-high scores, close to almost perfect in some years. The elephant in the room, Subaru CVTs. A decade ago, the stories were rough. Here's the truth. Subaru cleaned it up, and owners who change CVT fluid every 30,000 miles avoid the horror movie. With maintenance done on time, Foresters cruise past 200,000 miles, and because the brand has die-hard fans, resale is outstanding. That means when you upgrade, you get more money back than you might with rivals. Add standard all-wheel drive, top safety ratings, and better-than-expected fuel economy, and you've got a smart buy that feels safe and steady in daily life. Number 2. The Honda CR-V, the practical champ that finally pushed the RAV4 in the right ways. For years, the two fought it out. Lately, the CR-V edges ahead with calmer ride quality, smarter packaging, and top-tier efficiency, up to around 30 miles per gallon combined. The shocker: some second-gen CR-Vs from the early 2000s are closing in on 500,000 miles. That's 500,000 miles of errands, vacations, and cold starts without a major rebuild. Very few vehicles on Earth can claim that. Insurance companies love the safety record, which keeps premiums friendly compared to riskier picks. Resale is elite. Demand stays high. The bottom line, the CR-V proves practical doesn't mean boring. It means you lowered your stress bill for the next decade. At number 1, the Honda HR-V, the CR-V's smaller sibling that's just as tough in its lane. The compact footprint is a gift in cities, but the real hook is reliability. Owners consistently report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with almost no major repairs. Because it's lighter and simpler, you'll see highway numbers that take pressure off monthly budgets while still enjoying Honda's safety. Insurers like the low repair severity. Premiums reflect it. And resale? It holds better than most small crossovers, so when it's time to trade up, you don't feel punished. Does it have the power of a big SUV? No. Does it keep you moving without drama? Over and over, yes, we've covered the keepers. Now the warning signs. First, the iconic off-roader with the big reputation. Off-road, it's a hero. On the highway, some years have a real problem. A violent steering wobble after a bump. Mix in electrical gremlins and oil leaks, and daily ownership becomes a game of what breaks next. Crash tests haven't always been kind. Insurance companies notice, and premiums follow. If your weekends are rocks and dunes, fine. As a Monday through Friday family hauler, the math gets ugly. Second, the stylish family SUV from parts of the 2010s that looked perfect on paper. Under the hood, owners reported transmission shudder, hesitation, and full failures well before 100,000 miles. Repairs ran to $3,000 and up. Water pump leaks could take the engine with them. Add electrical glitches and recalls and your calendar fills with shop visits. Insurance climbed as claims piled up. The name has history. The reality is headaches. Pick cleaner years or pick something else. Let's talk total ownership math, because hype doesn't pay bills. The equation is simple. Purchase price minus what you'll get back later, plus fuel, plus insurance, plus maintenance and repairs. Reliable SUVs crush this math from both ends. They need fewer shop visits now and hand you larger checks when you sell. A model that keeps 55% of its value at 5 years can return $2,000 to $3,500 more at sale than a rival that tanks. Safety packages often cut $200 to $400 a year in premiums. 2 tiny habits, proper tire pressure and fresh fluids, save hundreds and extend life. Over 8 years, these quiet savings can beat a flashy badge by 5 figures. You're not buying a logo, you're buying steady, predictable life. Here's your quick shopping checklist so you don't get hustled by lights and leather. Pick the proven year with the proven engine and transmission. Skip 1-year experiments. Buy the car, not the photos. Ask for oil, transmission fluid, timing parts, water pump, and brake records. Get an independent inspection on a lift. If you see flood signs or frame rust, walk away, no drama. Test drive on city streets, highway, and a tight lot. Feel for clean shifts, straight tracking, and a quiet suspension. Finance with 20% down if you can, aim for 48 to 60 months, and target an APR under 6. Run insurance quotes before you sign. Safety tech can knock the rate down. If 2 deals tie, choose the one with thicker paperwork and calmer test drive vibes. That's your confirmation you picked well. So here's the bottom line, stronger than any sales pitch. The smartest SUV to own isn't the one with the lowest price tag or the flashiest badge. It's the one that stays out of the repair shop, protects you with real safety, keeps insurance costs low, and still holds value 10, even 20 years down the road. A reliable SUV can save you tens of thousands across its life. Fewer repairs, fewer tow trucks, cheaper premiums, stronger resale. An unreliable one drains money, time, patience, and even confidence every time a warning light flickers. The cash you save by choosing right today can become the down payment or the full price of your next car years from now. That's not fear, that's math. And honesty time. Owning a vehicle you can actually trust changes how you live. You stop wondering if it'll start tomorrow. You stop bracing for the next surprise ding to your credit card. You take the family trip, You roll into retirement with a car that still feels solid. That's real peace of mind. So, which SUV would you trust for the next decade? Maybe 2? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this helped, subscribe for more straight-shooting car guides that protect your money and your time. Drive safe and buy smart.